Number 9, explain what mean by specific heat capacity of substance. Speak, uh, jadi kalau dia gini ya, specific heat capacity of substance. Number 9. Specific heat capacity is energy, ya, for mass uh, delta temperature, ya. Ya. This is amount of energy needed, ya, for 1 kilogram mass in change temperature 1 degree Celsius. So kalau mungkin Bapak tulis, uh, this is like energy needed, ya, for 1 kilogram of mass to change, ya, temperature, ya, 1 degree Celsius, 1 Kelvin, 1 Celsius, same thing, ya. Change in Celsius, same thing with change in Kelvin, ya. 1 degree Celsius, 1 degree Celsius. Ya, that's it. Energi yang diperlukan untuk mengubah ya, satu massa 1 kilogram of mass, ya, to change the temperature 1 degree Celsius, ya. Okay, that's it. Okay, then let's check about question B. Question B is, okay, we have uh, figure 21.17, yeah. So an apparatus use the measure of specific heat capacity of copper block of mass. Okay, we have mass, yeah, 850 grams, yeah. And then we need to change, yeah, we need to change into kilogram. Yeah. So mass, this is equals to 0.85 kilogram. Okay, then yes, this is the diagram, the block diagram. And then we have heater 90 watt. Yeah, this is power. Power of heater 90 watt. Yeah. Then this is thermocouple. Yeah. Uh, to measure about temperature on this system. This is copper block. The block is initially at 12 degrees Celsius. Yeah. The heater switch on and time taken for temperature to raise 30 is recorded. Yeah. The block is cooled and to the original temperature. The potential difference across the heater is increased and experiment is repeated. Okay. We have some question here. That question I is, oh, we have result that on the table, yeah. Power output heater 40, yeah. Time taken is 190 second, and then with W or power output is 960. They have time taken 114 second, yeah. Okay. Question one, question I, yeah. Explain why thermometer is suitable for this experiment. Oh, because this is regarding potential difference, ya, karena dia suitable-nya with electrical, ya. Jadi thermocouple itu digunakan untuk um, measure the electrical the temperature from the electrical devices ya. Because ini kita sebut karena they have potential difference ya. Bisa Bapak lihat kan ke atas ya, kalau kita lihat sebentar. Kita ada keterangan di atas tentang thermocouple itu yang kemarin itu dia terdiri, nah this one ya. A thermocouple is another electrical device which can be used sensor of thermometer ya. So the principal wires of two different metal X and Y yeah, are required. A length of metal X has length of metal Y soldered to it each end. Ya. Ini disambungkan ya, ada junctionnya. The produce of two junction with are the important parts of the thermocouple. Yes, if the junction are different temperature, yeah, on EMF it will be those produced between two free ends of the thermocouple and can be measured using voltmeter. Nah ini ya, this produce two junction which are the important parts of thermocouple. If, nah ini bisa Bapak copy. Oh sorry, nggak bisa di copy. Ya, ini aja ya, nanti jawabannya ini adalah if the two junction are different temperature, ya, an EMF will be produced between the two free ends of the thermocouple and can be measured using voltmeter. Jadi bahasa gampangnya kalau terdapat perbedaan apa namanya temperatur, maka terjadi perbedaan voltmeter atau perbedaan potential difference. Oke, we back ya. We back. Oh, this one. Okay. Yeah. This is potential difference may, yeah, potential difference, yeah, yeah, change from change in temperature, yeah, and measured by voltmeter, yeah. Aduh ini mudah-mudahan kelihatan ya ini potential difference ya, potential difference change from change in temperature ya, berubah dari perubahan temperature ya, dan diukur dengan voltmeter. Oke. Okay. Then question II. Explain why experiment is repeated using different power input. Why? Yeah. Since we know ya about power in electrical ya, kita itu tuh sebenarnya ini adalah uh, to find resistance resistance of heater ya. Ya. And dia adalah constant ya. Sebenarnya untuk mencari berapa nilai resisten pada heater itu ya, heater itu. Boleh Papa tunjukkan gini, kalau kalian masih ingat di power and energy of electric ya. they have a kind of formula. P equals to VI, P equals to I square R, or, nah ini kita pakai yang ini, P equals to V over, V square over R ya. From this we get R. R equals to V square over P. Nah, kita mencari ini sebenarnya, ya, mencari resistance of the heater. Ya. As I mentioned before, kita memang pelajaran ini ada di kelas 8, ada di kelas 10 juga, dan ini sebenarnya sama, hanya tingkat kesulitannya beda, ya, dan tingkat penggabungan terhadap materi lain. Ya. Kalau kalian lihat, ini tidak semata-mata not only about heat energy, but we combine with electrical energy, we combine with thermocouple, thermometer, ya, we combine with thermodynamics, ya, and so on and so on. Ya, seperti itu. Okay, and then the last one is calculate specific heat capacity of copper. Nah, ini bagaimana nih? Kita suruh menghitung specific heat capacity of copper. We can use formula, this one, yeah, C equals to E divided M delta T, yeah, by watt. Nah, E we change into energy is P times T, ya. Ini Bapak copy, C equals to E we change into P times T, ya, and M delta theta. P, we use this one, ya, between 40 or 60. Yeah, when we use 40, we use time taken is 190, and then when we use 60, we use time taken is 114. Yeah, so let's say we use the first one, 140, yeah, times with 190, yeah, and then divided mass is 0.85, yeah, and then delta T is let's check it, yeah, not 23.2, yeah, but they have the block in with the potential difference across heater in this one, yeah, 30 into 12, 30 minus 12, ya. Ya, kita langsung dapat, coba berapa nilainya. Empat puluh, 190. Okay, we get 496.7, or we round it. Yeah, this is about 496.7, yeah, 0.7, yeah, in joule kilogram minus 1 Celsius minus 1, yeah. Okay, that's it. Jadi jawabannya adalah 497 joule kilogram minus 1 Celsius minus 1. Oke, seperti itu ya guys ya. Silakan kalau mau dicatat, nanti kita lanjut lagi di nomor berikutnya ya, kalau masih ada waktu ya. Silakan catat dulu aja. Bapak tunggu kurang lebih 5 menit ya.